I am wearing, I don't know if you noticed, a deeper, darker, purpley brown, which for me is outside my comfort zone, but what are your thoughts? Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I'm 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious about the Eyescream Beauty bag, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, so it's not like I don't have enough skincare, makeup, and tools already. So what do? I decide to subscribe to a new beauty subscription. Yeah. This is the smaller bag. It costs $12.50 a month. However, you do have to pay for shipping and handling, which costs $4. And then there is like 75 cents tax. So the grand total is $17.25, and you get 3 to 5 products a month. Now they do have a larger $24 a month box where you get 5 to 7 items, and shipping is included. And if I enjoy this, I may upgrade and get the box instead of the bag. But I thought I'd start small since we all know I already have a lot of subscriptions. All right, so I think it's interesting, the bags. This is a shipping bag. It's cute. It's kind of got marble and some gold. Fancy. So let's dig in and see what we got this month. And by month, I'm not sure if this is May or April. Hopefully there's a card and something that will let us know. Okay, yes. So there is a card which says April. And it does have the items and the prices, so I will put that aside because if you've watched my videos, you know I like the element of surprise, and I don't watch spoilers. So let's reach in and grab the first item. Oh my god, that is so cute. These are the world's smallest little beauty blenders. Oh my god, look how tiny. And we get a lot. How many are in here? So we get 6 total. And they're the standard different shapes. You get the sliced edge. You get the one that looks like a snowman. And then the standard teardrop. The problem with, I have a couple really tiny ones. You would think, oh, they're good for under the eye. They're so tiny. It's like they're hard to hold on to. But very cute. All right, who is this from and what is the cost? Okay, so this is from a company called PX Look, and this retails for $12. Comment down below if you've heard of this brand. I have not. All right, that is very adorable. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? All right, so we have from Nabi Color Fix. I presume this is going to be color correcting. Yes, Nabi Concealer Palette, and this retails for $8. Very reasonable. And there's tape, which I will leave on. So based off of the colors, this will be color correcting. So you have a green to spot correct red, yellow to get any kind of browns or purples, salmon for darkness, purple for sallowness or yellow, and then these darker orangey and brown shades for, I presume, are for women and gentlemen with darker complexions. All right, I recently just posted a video about color correcting red spots. If you missed it, you can check it above in the eye. Okay, next item. What is this? This is from Cherimoya Max, and it's a lip gloss, which retails for $6. Ooh, I like the color. It comes safety sealed. Some little plastic around here, so let me take that off. I'm not familiar with this brand either. And you know what I'm enjoying from this box so far? is A, it's all makeup, and B, they have realistic pricing. Like if this was in BoxyCharm, they would say it's worth $22 or something. $6 is what I'm willing to pay for a lip gloss. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it has that type of applicator. And let's do a little swatch. Ooh. Kind of bubblegummy ballet slipper pink. May not be the best shade, but I can make it work. Does not feel sticky. If I didn't already have 15 lip glosses on, I'd give it a try. But that's what it looks like, kind of smeared out. I think that's lovely. It's like a mauve-y, deeper rose color. Yes. Okay. And the last item. All right. We have a palette. This is from a company called Kleancolor, and this is the Mix and Mingle palette, where you get 16 shades, and it retails for $14. Now that, to me, is a reasonable price for an eyeshadow palette. These shades, as you know, are a little adventurous for me. I am wearing, I don't know if you noticed, a deeper, darker, purpley brown, which for me is outside my comfort zone, but what are your thoughts? I don't know if I'm ready yet for teals, dark blues, and purples, but let me think on that. If not, I will set this aside for a future giveaway. Okay, so let's recap what we got. So we got a 16-pan eyeshadow palette. We got a 6-pan concealer correcting palette. We got a lip gloss and a 6-pack of the world's tiniest little makeup blending sponges. What are your thoughts? All right, I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of everything. And let's see if this was worth $17.25. When I first ordered this, I was really impressed with, $12.50. But then when I saw my bank account, I was like, oh, it doesn't include the free shipping. So now I'm contemplating, for the $4 more, it makes it in with tax, it's $17.25. Wondering if I should get the box instead of the bag, because they do include the shipping and handling. I'm going to go another month with the smaller bag, and then I will see if I want to swap over. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts, or whether you've heard of this box or these brands, and if you subscribe. And then you see that guy? That guy right there? It looks like that. I would appreciate it if you hit that guy. It's free to you and really helps my channel grow. All right, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. Also check out my 500 subscriber giveaway. And yeah, have a fantastic week, and I'll catch you next time.